Hi, to make Photo Shuffle Wallpaper on iPhone, firstly make sure that your phone is running on iOS 17 or later version. Then we need to go ahead and open Settings. Here find Wallpaper section and click on this blue button to add new wallpaper. Now take a look at the top panel. Here you should see this feature Photo Shuffle. And then you can read this info about how this feature works. So we can either choose whole album for this feature or choose photos manually. So I'm gonna select them manually like that and click add. So basically select photos you wanna see on your lock screen. Now you can of course adjust it, add some filters, click on three dots, and here choose Shuffle Frequency. So you can change it daily, hourly, on lock, or on tap. Let's set on lock, for example, and each time I will use my side button to lock device, wallpaper will be changed. We can also click here and add more photos or remove something from selected. And now all is left is to click Add button, just to set as pair, for example, and now let's test it. So this is my first option, this is second, and this is third. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.